Welcome to another episode of Jay's Learning School, where I have the opportunity to help you to understand and speak better English. On today's English lesson, we're going to learn about the English phrase, taste of your own medicine. Now, before we get into the lesson, as always, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you drop down and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified when I release a free English lesson. Now, when you talk about a taste of your own medicine, you're talking about a person that receives the same harsh treatment that they give to others. Usually, the person that is getting a taste of their own medicine is being a bully, they're being mean, or they're being very annoying to other people. And so when it happens to them, you would say that finally they are getting a taste of their own medicine. Let's look at a few examples to help you use this English phrase in a sentence or in a conversation. Now, first you may say, she picked on others every day. Now she's getting a taste of her own medicine. So for someone that picks on their sibling, a classmate, or a coworker, and then people get bold enough to treat her the same way, she is getting a taste of her own medicine. Then you may say the thief got a taste of his own medicine when his car was stolen. The thief got a taste of his own medicine when his car was stolen. So if a thief is used to stealing other people's things and finally it happens to him, now he's getting a taste of his own medicine. Be careful how you treat others, or you're going to get a taste of your own medicine. Be careful how you treat others, or you're going to get a taste of your own medicine. So a parent that is trying to raise a child with good character or integrity, they would tell their child, treat others right, or one day you'll get a taste of your own medicine. It's another way of saying, look, you're going to reap what you sow. So you need to make sure you treat others the way you would want them to treat you. Well, I hope you have learned something on today's learning lesson. Please be sure to give me a like. That would really help me out. Also, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of other free lessons that I have here on my YouTube channel. I'm also on Instagram, and I invite you to follow me there where you can receive more free visual lessons to help you speak better English. While you're here on my channel, make sure you check out some of my other videos to help you understand and speak better English right here on Jay's Learning School. Happy New Year and have a wonderful day.